did the case went?
It's just for mention today. The charges were read to the accused persons, and they all pleaded not guilty. There are two charges: unlawful assembly and common nuisance. So they all pleaded not guilty to the two charges.
Okay. So, and then when we are in the hearing, we saw the officers, they stood up saying that when these people are billed, they should be with a condition of not to go out again to protest or something like that. We saw your team counter-attack it. The initial state, when they started mentioning, your team was laughing at the concept of it. How did you came to hear the police calling up for such an restriction to these reasons?
Well, that restriction that was proposed by the police is really not for them, it's for the magistrate. So the magistrate decided that that is her prerogative, and bail was granted, and that condition was not attached.
And the second one, there's someone who claimed he was just passing by and being arrested. Now he's also charged on the same offense with those that were there, you understand, to conduct their press briefing, or the law put it on them to unlawfully organizing a protest. What is the fate of that guy?
Well, like all the others, this is going to go through the court proceedings. The prosecution would give its evidence, it would call its witnesses, and he will have an opportunity when it is his time to talk to describe the conditions the court as he understands them. So that is an evidential matter. We have to wait for the proceedings. In fact, the question was whether he pleaded guilty or not. He should just have said not guilty. The reasons will come later during the trial.
So what did the court decide at the moment?
Well, the court granted them bail, and so that's it. They are all on bail.
At the tune of?
$50,000
Each?
No, yes, each, with one Gambian surety. So one person has to deposit his or her ID card or Gambian passport. Yes, and of course the magistrate went on to say that failure of any of the accused persons to turn up would result in a possible forfeiture of the bail bond. That is, the authority would be called to the court and asked to explain why the bail should not be forfeited. That is why he should not pay the $50,000 there and then.
Now, as a legal consultant and a senior man for that matter, what advice would you have for the youth that are out there watching that want to exercise their rights?
Well, I believe we'll talk with our clients. That is a private issue, and also it's a little complicated because of the constitutional rights attached to assembly and speech. So obviously, those are matters that we'll have to discuss. The legal team already reached a conclusion that we have to sit down and discuss those things.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.